Chosen one, stop everything right now and look straight into my eyes. What you are about to hear is not a coincidence. At exactly 5:55 this morning, the space around me shook with a tangible voice. Not a breath, not a feeling, but the voice of the Creator thundered. Reconstruction order activated. Immediately I was taken into another reality, a command center of heaven. There I saw a screen bearing your name. Do you know what it showed? Every indicator of your finances, health, and relationships was flashing bright red. That is the sign of manipulation, of the limits the enemy installed to restrain you for so long. But listen carefully, an archangel stepped forward and erased everything. In this very moment, your old painful operating system is being deleted. A new line of code of abundance and power is being uploaded. Do not panic if in the next few days your life seems chaotic. That is not collapse, it is the cleaning process, so your greatest version can be revealed. Your old life has ended. The reconstruction has begun. Tonight, chosen one, I need you to stop everything immediately. Do not look anywhere else. Listen very carefully to what I am about to reveal, because this is not a coincidence. At exactly 5:55 this morning, an event occurred that permanently changed my reality and yours. I did not hear a whisper, nor was it a vague sensation. It was a tangible voice, roaring like thunder from the Creator himself. He spoke only 3 words, but those 3 words will shake your entire existence. Initiate reconstruction. Before I could regain my composure, my soul was pulled into the most detailed vision a human being could ever witness. What I saw in that dawn moment was not only about me, it was for you. When you hear this entire message, you will understand that your old life has already ended. Your new operating system is being uploaded right now. Imagine the most advanced technology center the human mind can conceive. But this is not the technology of Earth. This is the technology of heaven. In that vision, I stood in the middle of a massive control room. The walls were not made of bricks or stone, but covered with endless crystal screens. Each screen displayed one aspect of a human existence, from financial status, the dynamics of relationships to career trajectory, and even mental health. Everything was monitored in real time. An angel led me to a special control panel. At the top, I saw your name, your entire life history, the parameters of your destiny, and the visions of your future were displayed in astonishing detail. But here is what made me tremble. Every setting on your screen was flashing bright red. Not 1 or 2 indicators, but the entire system. The angel explained, red means misconfiguration. Red means you are operating below the potential you were designed for. Red means the enemy has infiltrated and corrupted your original settings. Your life until now has been like a supercar stuck in a swamp, roaring with power but unable to move because of toxic lines of faulty code. At that moment, an archangel stepped forward. His authority caused the space around him to tremble. He did not come to repair or patch anything. He gave a single command: activate the sacred reset. In a single instant, everything belonging to your past disappeared. The financial limits that strangled you deleted. The toxic relationships that exhausted you wiped away. The chronic illnesses or the stagnation in your spirit cancelled. This is not an ordinary software update. Heaven is performing a complete format of the hard drive of your life. Everything you once knew, everything that trapped you, everything that made you feel small, is being ended. When this process is finished, you will no longer recognize yourself. You will access dimensions you could never reach before. You will operate with a level of power you have never experienced in your life. After the darkness of deletion passed, I saw new configurations begin to upload. But they were unlike anything before. They were protocols of abundance, programs of spiritual connection, and parameters of divine acceleration. God himself spoke in that control room. Tell my chosen one that this reconstruction is not optional. It is a process already in motion. Your physical eyes may not yet see immediate evidence, but in the spiritual realm, everything has changed. What was broken is being repaired. What was delayed is being accelerated. What was limited is being expanded without end. Chosen one, your old life has officially ended tonight. A new operating system, stronger and more powerful, is being installed deep into your spiritual DNA. Chosen one, the deletion process has been completed. Now look again at your screen. Heaven is not only removing your suffering, it is installing superior protocols you were never allowed to access before. This is the 60-day roadmap that will shake your physical reality. The first area being processed is your financial operating system. For years, you have been restrained by an invisible ceiling where debt and scarcity were the default settings. Listen carefully. That setting has been deleted. Within the next 15 days, the first evidence will appear. Heaven is installing the abundance protocol. Sources of income you never knew existed will begin to find you. Efforts that once felt difficult will suddenly become strangely easy. This is not luck. This is the supernatural supply system activating. Stop struggling just to survive and prepare to manage abundance. Next comes the relationship operating system. Within the next 22 days, you will witness a peaceful but decisive cleansing. Energy-draining people, manipulators, and toxic connections will automatically leave your orbit. The sacred connection configurations are being uploaded. This system does not attract based on lack, it attracts based on mission. Heaven will send collaborators, soul allies, people who not only love you but push you forward. Do not chase those who leave. They are simply corrupted lines of code being removed. The third area is the health operating system. The chronic illnesses, mental exhaustion, and brain fog you carried for so long were all configuration errors. God declared, "I am restoring my children's health to the designer's original standard." Within 30 days, life will begin flowing through every cell of your body. Persistent pain will begin to fade. Clarity will replace confusion. This is the installation of the active restoration system. Your body will no longer be a shelter for weakness. It will become a fortress of supernatural vitality. Have you ever wondered what you were born to do? That confusion was the greatest barrier that has now been erased. Within 45 days, the purpose operating system will complete its synchronization. Every question about direction will be answered with crystal clarity. Doors of opportunity that once seemed sealed will open without you knocking. You will be placed in the right position at the right time to fulfill your mission. You will no longer chase purpose. Purpose will find you. Finally, the most powerful of all, the timeline operating system. The enemy stole your time through delays and waiting, but God is installing the acceleration protocol. Within 60 days, the natural law of time will no longer apply to you. Goals that once required 10 years will unfold in weeks. Everything delayed will erupt all at once. You are not late. You are on a divine high-speed track, designed by heaven to deliver you beyond expectation. Chosen one, these 60 days are not a dream. They are a commitment sealed by divine power. Do not allow doubt to interrupt this upload. Take the final activation step. Leave a comment declaring the area you most desire to see reconstructed right now. Finances, relationships, health purpose, or timeline. Your public confirmation is the act of pressing the confirm button so the new operating system can officially activate. Subscribe to the channel immediately because the next instructions will teach you how to operate in this upgraded version. Never return to the broken settings again. Your new world is waiting. Chosen one, listen to me carefully. Do not panic if right now your life feels like it is breaking apart. I saw this in the vision inside the heavenly control room. When the reset command was executed, the screen bearing your name suddenly went dark. The system sounds cut out. Everything you once relied on seemed to disappear. A close relationship suddenly ends without explanation. A job you thought was stable begins to shake. A plan you invested your heart in suddenly reaches a dead end. Your greatest mistake would be to look at that chaos and call it failure. No. The heavenly editor is telling you that this is the dark screen phase. A new operating system cannot be installed while the old one is still running. Heaven must disconnect what no longer belongs so greatness can take its place. Do not try to repair what God is intentionally removing. Stay silent and allow the corrupted data to be erased. There is a truth the enemy does not want you to know. During this entire reconstruction process, you are placed under an absolute security protocol. In the vision, I saw a barrier of light surrounding your soul. It looked like a heavenly firewall. Criticism from family, judgment from co-workers, or negative energy from your environment may reach your ears, but they cannot touch your new destiny. God is isolating you. He is placing you inside a restricted zone. The reason you feel lonely during this phase is because God is protecting your new code from infection by old thinking. Embrace the solitude. It is not abandonment, it is security. Your new operating system is too valuable to be interfered with by those without access to your life. This is the most important part of this message. Focus completely. The enemy knows it has lost control of your system, so it will use its final weapon, doubt. During the first 72 hours after hearing this message, you will face an intense psychological attack. A voice in your mind will whisper, nothing has changed. You are still poor, still alone, still suffering. False evidence will appear, an unexpected bill, an insulting message. This is the noise creation tactic. The enemy wants you to believe the reset failed, because if you believe it failed, you will cancel it yourself. You will return to old habits, old thinking, and reopen the door for corrupted code. Do not fall into the trap. When doubt appears, it is proof that the new system is functioning so powerfully that the enemy is panicking. Smile at the challenges during these 72 hours. They are simply the final breaths of an empire that has already collapsed. Chosen ones, stand firm. The reset cannot be reversed once you confirm it. The red alert status is fading. The blue light of hope is spreading through every area of your life. You do not need to help God. You only need to hold your position. Do not run from chaos. Do not fear the darkness. Do not believe the enemy's lies. Remember, the dark screen is the sign of a magnificent beginning. To reinforce the protective barrier and defeat doubt during the next 72 hours, perform this powerful confirmation act right now. Write in the comments, I accept the chaos to receive greatness. My operating system is new. When you write this, you send a confirmation signal back to the heavenly control room that you are ready. Do not forget to subscribe and activate notifications. I will reveal how to operate your new operating system so you never accidentally reactivate old errors. Remember, the 72 hours start now. I will walk with you. Chosen one, the system is ready. The new lines of code have been loaded, but this is the law of heaven. Your permission is the final key. In the vision inside the control room, I saw thousands of reset commands waiting for confirmation. God is a gentleman. He will not invade your life if you do not open the door. Public declaration is not unnecessary. It is your signature on the new contract of your destiny. Right now, move down to the comments section. Do not just read. Write, my life is being reconstructed. When your fingers touch the keyboard and send that sentence, you are transmitting a verification signal directly to the heavenly control room. You are declaring to the forces of darkness, the old control has expired. I belong to the new operating system. This is the final activation step, so heaven can complete the last 1% of the process. Now place your hand on your heart. This is the moment your soul synchronizes with heaven's parameters. Speak this prayer with the authority of a chosen one. Lord, I stand here in your presence. I confirm that my old life has ended. I renounce every setting of debt, suffering, and delay. I command every corrupted code of the enemy to be erased from my spiritual DNA immediately. I receive the operating system of abundance. I receive the operating system of supernatural health. I receive divine acceleration. Everything is new. The system is running. Amen. Do you feel that current? That is synchronization. The files of your past are being permanently deleted. Never attempt to restore them again. The strict editor tells you this faith without action is dead faith. Heaven has done the supernatural part. Now you must do the physical part. You need a symbolic action to confirm to your brain that the old world no longer exists. Within the next 24 hours, I challenge you to do one of these 3 actions. Erase a connection. Open your contacts and permanently delete the phone number of the person who has always restrained, used, or hurt you. Do not block them. Delete them. Remove an object. Throw away something connected to your most painful season. An old shirt, a souvenir from a past relationship, or a document reminding you of failure. Change your space. Rearrange your environment or clean out your email inbox full of reminders of debt and struggle. When you do this in the physical world, it creates an echo in the spiritual realm. It proves that you are not just speaking. You are truly operating in the new system. Listen carefully, chosen one. Owning a supercar is one thing. Knowing how to drive it at full speed is another. This new operating system requires a new mindset. You cannot operate the abundance protocol with a poverty mindset. You must learn to live like an upgraded version of yourself. Do not speak the old complaints. Do not vibrate at the frequency of fear. Begin to observe the new opportunities appearing around you. I will continue uploading deeper instructions to help you master the features of this operating system. Consider this channel the instruction manual created specifically for the chosen ones. The heavenly reset process is complete. You are no longer the person you were yesterday. Walk with the posture of someone who has just been equipped with supreme power. Do not forget this video itself is a portal. If your energy begins to drop during the next 72 hours, return here and listen again to the activation prayer. Your life has been reset. The new configuration is activated. Your capacity has been expanded. Live in it, operate in it, and shine through it. Chosen one, this moment marks the end of an era of suffering and the opening of the most glorious chapter of your life. Do not search for your old version anymore. That entity no longer exists in heaven's system. The debts, the tears, and the delays have been permanently erased from your timeline. Now you are operating with a victorious operating system. To confirm your authority and protect this transformation, I ask you to complete 3 activation steps immediately. Step 1. Confirmation protocol. Move to the comments section and write, "My life has been reconstructed. I received the new operating system." When you write this, you are not only interacting with the video, you are sending a verification signal directly to the heavenly control room that you are ready. Step 2. Physical action. Within the next 24 hours, perform 1 symbolic act. Delete a toxic contact, throw away an object that haunts your past, or clean your workspace. Heaven has done the supernatural work. Now prove with physical action that you belong to the new reality. Step 3. Maintain connection. Owning a new operating system is one thing. Knowing how to operate it is another. Do not lose your way. Subscribe and activate notifications right now. My next video will be the operating manual for your upgraded version, where I will teach you how to use the protocols of abundance and supernatural health so system errors never return. You must come back here regularly to synchronize your mind with heaven's frequency. Congratulations, your greatest journey has begun. Heaven has pressed enter. Walk forward with the posture of a victor.